Everybody, welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal back with you. We are here in the Bethesda office with Natural Transplants, and today we have a special guest. Immo is here. We are excited. Welcome, man.
Thank you.
Thank you for doing this. Thanks for sharing your story. What are you here for?
So I'm here for, obviously, hair transplant.
Yep.
Kind of obvious.
Yep.
And I'm trying to get a more female hairline for transition. So you can see probably I have very little hair left.
Yes.
And I thought, I want my natural hair to grow out when I transition. So that's the main reason I'm here.
Awesome. Thank you. Thanks for trusting us with with your journey. And so we don't take that lightly, and it's an honor to be with you and doing this. I'm going to just show kind of what we're working with now. When we talked about this before, obviously this is sort of a Norwood 6. I'm going to spin you around here. Your hair is on the finer, straighter, thinner side, which doesn't do you any favors, unfortunately, from the density standpoint. We talked about you probably only have about 2 procedures total in, with the donor strip back here. We're going to get as much as we can today. We'll probably do a second one down the road, and that may only be, we're only going to be able to do a certain amount. So the first procedure we're going to create more of a feminine line. We may only get about 2 fingers. If we can get a third, great. And then the second procedure down the road, we could either do that second coat of paint to make it thicker. Your preference, Immo, was to just keep marching back, even if it's a little bit on the thinner side, which it will be. It's going to be in that 30% coverage range. You'd rather just march back. You could always do fibers. You could do some maybe SMP tattooing, and you also talked about extensions as well too, to cover it. So that's sort of the long-term game plan, just to fill everybody else in. We'll draw everything out. We'll come back and check on you a little bit later.
Sounds good. I'm excited.
Good, me too. All right, we are back with Immo, and as you can tell, we have drawn the line out. Obviously, much more feminine line. And I think it's very natural. And again, it's not going to be this perfect manicured line. It's going to be what I call a little messy, sort of zigzaggy back and forth. The goal, we're going to do the initial frontal hairline and then just start marching back from here. We may only be able to get sort of in this region, but if we get more, we'll keep marching back. We'll keep marching back. All right, we got a couple of time on board. You feeling all right?
I'm doing good. Perfect.
Head next door. We'll get started. We'll check on you later.
Awesome. Okay? Thank you.
All right, Immo, we are back. We are just winding down. Maybe another 20 minutes or so. How are you feeling?
Good.
I'm doing all right?
Good.
Any pain at all? Discomfort?
No.
Okay.
To be honest, no.
Good.
I mean, it was much less than I even thought it would be.
Good. We've had some good discussions. You have not slept yet, I'm surprised, but we had a good lunch and watched a couple some music videos and having a good time today.
Sounds good. And my stupid questions, I'm at number what? 14, 15
14
now?
or 15, I've lost track. Yeah. Never a stupid question. All right, we'll check in with you at the end.
Awesome.
All right, Dr. Blumenthal back. We have Immo. Congratulations.
Thank you.
We did it. It's a long day today, but worth it.
Oh, absolutely.
Super happy with the way it turned out. We really packed it in there. Be honest, how did the day go?
No, I guess it's absolutely amazing. I mean, Dr. Blumenthal was amazing. Before, during, and after, techs were amazing. There was much less pain, or even at all, than I thought it would be. I mean, it was actually very pleasant, to be honest, and I'm super happy.
Awesome.
I couldn't be happier.
Awesome. I love it. I'm super happy with the way it went. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just tuck your chin. I know I told you not to bend your neck, but just bend it slightly, and then Kenza's going to go in. We just did a little, just sort of the front edge here, and then obviously we thickened it up and did half of the frontal third, maybe somewhere around there, half, maybe a little bit over half. And then I'm going to spin you around to see we have a little bit of neosporin, so it's a little goopy in the back, but that's the incision. Awesome. I love it.
Me too.
I will call you tomorrow to check on you. Thank you for doing this with it for everybody.
Thank you so much.
Hopefully we'll follow you along the year, and we'll see you in a year, and it'll be an amazing transformation.
Oh, more than happy to.
Welcome to the family. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Awesome.